Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday has made it very clear that the government is not going to allow mining of uranium to take place in the state without taking people into confidence and looking at all the scientific aspects of things. Talking to reporters, the CM said that the uranium mining issue is regarding people's life and health, and also it is a matter which concerns the future of the state. Stating that there may be organization and individual concern who may want to move forward with this, he maintained that there is a need to carefully study the impact of uranium mining.
Be clear that without taking people into confidence, without looking at all the scientific aspects of things, we are not going to allow the uranium mining to take place in our state. We're very clear about that. It is regarding people's lives, it's regarding people's health, it's regarding the future of our state. While there may be concerns from individuals who may want this and certain sections may want to move forward in this, it has to be addressed in a very, very careful manner. And as I said, we have to take people on board. We have to be very carefully studying the impact of these things. Until then, we have to ensure that no step is taken in that direction in any way, because as I said, this is regarding the lives of the people and the future of our people.
The Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC